Hello guys, and welcome to this new video where we're gonna see a Python introduction. Now, what is Python? It's a general purpose, interpreted, interactive, object-oriented, and high-level programming language. It's used for what? We can use Python in web development, software development, mathematics, system scripting, handling big data, and perform complex mathematics. Don't worry for now. We're gonna cover plenty of topics to get you to know all of these things. And now, why Python? Python is very powerful language because it works on different platforms: Mac, Windows, Linux. It has a simple syntax similar to the English language. It lets us to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming language. It can be treated as a procedural way, as object-oriented way, or a functional way. Those three mentioned are a programming language paradigms. If you don't know them, it's not a problem at all. Let's move now to the Python syntax. The Python syntax, it has some similarity to the English language. It's so easy to read. It uses new lines to complete a command. Other programming languages, which often uses semicolons or parentheses. It relies on indentation, using white space to define a scope, such as the scope of a class, of a function, of a loop. Other programming language uses awfully curly brackets for this purpose. Now let's see an example of this syntax that I'm talking about. Here it is, a simple example. A list of 3 numbers, a loop that print out the items of this list. Okay, if I read the syntax, it will be for item in list. This just a name of a variable, we all know that, but this is a keyword in the Python that exists in the English dictionary. Okay, and that's what I meant by saying it's similar to the English language. It's so easy to read. Now, what is a scope? This for loop has a scope. Here it is the scope of this loop. To clarify more the idea, let's define a function. Now, the scope of this function starts from here. Why it doesn't start from here? Because the Python works with indentation. Do you see? This white space here is predefined in the Python, and that's how he understands that this instruction is belong to the function thank. That's it for now, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. Follow me in the next videos by subscribing on my channel. Don't forget that. Goodbye for now.